Okay, we're going to go over how to operate one of the fireplaces here at Creekhaven Inn. And they use a pilot light, and we usually will have these set up where everything's ready to go. There's the word pilot here. We've put a little red fingernail polish there, and also on the back here. Those two need to be in alignment, but that's kind of our starting point. And all you need to do is turn the knob counterclockwise and it will automatically start, okay? And these fireplaces will actually turn themselves off after they get too hot. It's just a safety feature, make sure that they don't overheat. You can also adjust the height of the flame by just rolling it back to 1 through 5. Now, to get the fireplace back to its starting position or pilot, you rotate the knob clockwise until the word pilot is in alignment with the red fingernail polish there. Now, you do have a flue. We keep the flues open, otherwise it gets really warm in here. Please do not handle that if it's been on for a while. It can get very hot, as can the little cover here. So now, what can happen is you might accidentally turn the fireplace off by going past pilot and turning it to the off position. Now, if that happens, we're around, just give us a holler, we'll come out and fix it. But if you would like to go ahead and try to get it turned back on, what you do is, again, you rotate it counterclockwise to the word pilot is in alignment with the red fingernail polish, okay? And then you depress the knob and you come over here and you hit the little sparker and it lights right up. The pilot light's back here. It's somewhat difficult to see, but you can kind of put your hand back there. You can also hear it light. Now, if the fireplace has not been on for a while, it may take 30 seconds, 45 seconds. You'll start to hear it sputter, but it will ultimately turn on. So again, one more time, pilot is in alignment with the red fingernail polish on the front there. You just turn it counterclockwise and it will automatically start. Again, you can kind of adjust the flame height there. And to get it back, you just rotate pilot to where it's pretty much horizontal with the ground. So hopefully that covers things and you enjoy a great fire during your stay.